Hi, my name is Clover, and today we're going to be making some edible cookie dough. So the first things you're going to be needing is some chocolate chips. You're going to need some coconut oil melted. You're going to need some brown sugar, some white cane sugar, some oat flour. Do not use regular flour because it has bacteria that you cannot eat without being baked. Here's some vanilla extract, and you also need just a little bit of salt. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pouring in first my brown sugar, put that right in, some of my white cane sugar, pour that in, and then I'm going to use my spatula, but you can use any mixing tool. And I'm just going to kind of mix that all around. Oh, by the way, the brown sugar is 1/2 cup. The white sugar is also 1/2 cup. So we're going to go ahead and mix this. Look.
Smells delicious.
Because it's sugar. And then, I have a little
Just
bit
like
left over. And then I'm also, so mix that a little bit more. Then we're going to add our 1/2 cup of coconut melted oil. You can melt this by yourself at home. Perfect. See, you want to mix it like this. Your consistency should be looking like this. There we go. And now, since it's all mixed thoroughly, you don't want any wet spots. Now we're going to be adding our vanilla extract, which is only 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So go ahead and just pop that in. Plop just a tiny bit of salt, just kind of like a little bit. Shouldn't really be able to see the salt. It's basically 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to be adding some of our almond milk, which is going to be 3 tablespoons. But you can also use coconut milk, or you can use dairy cow milk. So let me go ahead and grab my tools. Tablespoon. Go ahead and open this up. Pour 3 of these. Doesn't matter what type of milk you have. There we go. We just gotta mix it, and it's gonna look super wet, like almost liquid. But now the oat flour is going to come in. If you guys are wondering where to get oat flour, you can just go to Fred Meyer's, or maybe you have it. So I'm going to go ahead.
Or Thriftway.
Shut up. And so this is the oat flour. We want 1 cup of oat flour. And just go ahead and kind of gradually add it. Yes. So we're adding this, and we're just going to go ahead and mix it. And it will take a while, so I'm just going to continue mixing on the tabletop. And I'm obviously almost done, but I still have some oat flour to add. So try adding almost all of it. I'm just going to kind of put my fingers in it and get it all out. And now that's all of it. And now I'm going to mix thoroughly. Very nice and thick. You want it not to be too thin. You want it to kind of be like a cake batter consistency, because I think you can refrigerate this. And now, last but definitely not least, to make this edible cookie dough, we're gonna need some chocolate chips. But I only have 1/4 cup of them, so but we really need 1/2 cup. So if you guys have 1/2 cup, go ahead and just throw 1/2 cup of chocolate chips in. I'm gonna put 1 of these, and then I need some more chocolate chips, which is right here. Kind of a mess. I'm just gonna add It exploded. I'm just gonna add that to there, which is, there we go. That's 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And now you're just gonna mix. And this is about how it should be looking. It's a little bit runny, but that's because this is just how it's going to be for a little bit. And if you guys think that this is a little bit too runny, I'd add a little bit of flour because I think I need some more because it's not as much. This one is the one that I made later. See, you can see it has hardened up when I touch it. Don't worry, I wash my hands. Feels nice and good. Yes, but I think, so go ahead. I want you guys to add 1/4 cup of more oat flour. So 1 second, I will be back. Yes. Sorry guys, I had to add some more because I noticed I added a little bit too much coconut oil. So just go ahead and add 1/4 cup of some of that flour. This should definitely thicken it up because we want it to be nice and thick. So you don't want cookie dough that's gonna run. There we go. And see, I'm mixing the flour in. Okay, zoom out. And looks nice. There we go. That is a better consistency I was looking for. Whew. Yeah, that's definitely too much coconut oil. So, kind of mixing it, making it look nice. And now that I noticed that this one this looks a little bit weird. So I'm gonna pop it in the freezer and see how it turns out because this just is not how my other one turned out. Cause see, like I could just touch this and it's fine. You know, you can make little balls or something with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge for 5 minutes. I will see you guys later.